Hi friends, on today's quick Google Sheets tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu. These are really nice to add onto your spreadsheets. You can see you have these little down arrow options with some options to click within those boxes. And again, it just makes organizing and having options for folks to fill out your spreadsheets right there and available. So let's go ahead and come down here and I'm going to show you how to set this up from scratch. So I'm looking to put another sales associate box right here to choose from. And we can either use the names we already have up here, or we can create an entirely new dropdown. So once you have the cell highlighted, what we're going to do is we're going to come up and we're going to click the insert and we're going to come down here. And as you can see, we have drop down, and that is going to establish a brand new drop down box for us. And again, what we can do is come over here to criteria. There's a number of different options that you can choose from. Dropdown is going to be the simplest. That's what we'll look at today. You now have the ability to input the options that you'd like that dropdown to be able to select from. Let's pick some new names. Again, this can be anything that fits your needs. I'm going to do Fred for one. We're going to do Mary for our second one. And then you can, again, add as many items as you need to be able to choose from. Let's do one more associate. How about Matt? Okay. And then you obviously can have multiple selections available. There's advanced options in here. All we're going to do today is show you the basics. Let me go ahead and click done. And then as you can see, once I've completed that, I can come over here and I can click this little arrow and it's going to give me the associates now that I put in. I can click on this and Matt will come up and populate. Now again, there's multiple ways of setting this up. You can see I have these specific drop downs kind of set up in this expanded route. For this one, again, you can hit the edit button and through this little editor over here, we can actually set up a number of different things so that, again, colors show up for specific names to help you see things better. Again, all sorts of different options that you can play around with. That's the simplest way, again, to add a drop-down menu. Hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We're doing a ton of these Google Sheet tutorial videos just to make your life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we will see you again on the next one.